Hey guys, Becki-licious here. These barbecue chicken pizza dippers are better than ordering a pizza. Barbecue chicken pizza dippers, my fave, super easy to make. All right, first step, we're gonna deal with the chicken. So this is just a rotisserie chicken, barbecue sauce. That's it. We're gonna get this all mixed up because we want it yummy. Second step, we've got a pizza crust, just your in a roll pizza crust, easy peasy. Just got it all spread out. This is going to go in the oven, 400 degrees for 10 minutes. All right, time to bring our crust out of the oven. That was the first part because now we're going to put all the toppings on it and then it's going to go right back in the oven. All right, time to get our pizza ready. Look at that. So for our pizza sauce, we're using barbecue sauce, and you know which kind. We all know what kind I always use. So we're going to get this on there. Now it's time for this chicken. So we're just going to get this put all around. Make sure we got plenty. Now it's time for the red onion. Got a bunch of red onion all diced up. So I'm going to throw that on there. And last but not least is our cheese. And I've got a blend of Colby Jack and mozzarella just to kind of make it interesting. But before I put this on my pizza, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends, and click on the link me for some other fun stuff. Barbecue chicken pizza dippers back in the 400-degree oven for about another 10 minutes, and then it's going to be time to eat. Pizza's out of the oven. Look at that. That looks so good. All right, now we're going to get these little suckers cut, and then it's going to be time to plate up. It's time to eat. Barbecue chicken pizza is my absolute favorite. And these are little dippers. Perfect. Got my ranch dressing right here. Look at this. Oh, I can't wait. Sorry. We gotta have a bite right now. So there you go. We had another fun adventure in the kitchen today, didn't we? I hope you guys had a good time, because I know I did, and I really appreciate you guys hanging out with me. I'll see you next time, okay? Bye. If you like this video, watch this one.